Well, hello YouTube. It's Maker Matt here. I'm going to do a quick video unboxing. Something my wife bought for me at the world's largest knife shop in Sevierville, Tennessee, about 2 weeks ago. And no, it's not the vase, but it's in this bag, obviously, or maybe not so obviously. Boar's Head Cafe doesn't have to do with anything. But there's the bag, and there it is. Yeah, she bought me a new pocket knife. Knew that I wanted one. It is a Magnum by Boker. Let's see if I can pull this out here, upside down. Comes in a nice little tin can, sardine can. Easy enough to open. Let's see, we've got desiccant. We have warranty card, instructions on how to open and hopefully not cut yourself. There's the knife itself. If I can actually pull this open. Oh, and a little Allen type wrench that will presumably fit the screws there. Come on, focus. You can see it does have a belt clip. It is a Rosewood handle. You can open it manually here. It also has the fingertip. So this is not spring assisted, but look at this. That is just as slick as butter. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Let's see, maybe the floor background would be better. Watch this. That's not spring assist, and it is just an absolutely beautiful knife. Don't know if the detail is going to show on this. It is spring lock. Just push in, push it close. Again, no spring. It just closes, and then so that's it for today. Thanks for watching.